can see this is a view of Prayagraj river. It is very holy river. This is the river Prayagraj, and you are seeing the picture from the high height. And I am Varanasi showing you the video, recording this video for you. And this is a very long river. Right now there is no lots water, but whenever it is the time to rainy season, you will watch the water up to the high. On the other side there is a roadway are there. Right now I'm in the middle of the river. But I'm trying to show you the height. Really, this is very amazing. And my train is in between the river, so that I'm recording. Otherwise it is impossible to record from here. And this is the express train. I don't know why the train is in the middle. You can see that other side a bus I think. On the top of the footpaths are there. Some are the people who is going. This is a very long breeze. I'm just stopping the record from here because my train is about to go.